Many years ago, before the days of lacquer, shellac was the finish of choice of woodworkers. However, shellac doesn't wear very well, so it's fallen out of favor with many woodworking professionals. As a matter of fact, even I'm going to use a polyurethane finish on this when I'm done. But shellac does have history on its side, however. If you want your project to have an antique look, then use shellac. Let's say, for instance, you want this key rack to look like your great-grandmother handed it down to you. Then finish it with shellac. It will give it a high-gloss antiqued finish, like the woodworkers used to get before the days of lacquer. Shellac even comes in a spray can now, so that makes it more convenient to use. Just remember, anytime you're working with chemicals, use them in a well-ventilated area. An old-style finish you can get today.